जय गुरु जी के चरणों में कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। आई हुई सभी संगत को प्रणाम और आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है गुरु जी के सत्संग में। आइए संगत जी, आज के सत्संग की शुरुआत करते हैं और आज इनवाइट करेंगे रितु सेठ आंटी को। रितु आंटी आए और सत्संग शेयर करें।
जय गुरु जी, थैंक यू सो मच। जय श्री गणेशाय नमः। जय गुरु जी के चरणों में कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। संगत जी को प्यार भरा प्रणाम एंड नमस्ते। गुरु जी के सत्संग करने वाले को भी कहते हैं उन्होंने भी ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਕਲਿਆਣ ਤੇ ਸੁਣਨ ਵਾਲਾ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਕਲਿਆਣ। गुरु जी सत्संग करवाते भी आप हो, सुनते भी आप हो, सुनवाते भी आप हो। जितना शुक्राना करें हम उतना ही कम है। अनंतम शुक्राना मेरे गुरु महाराज इस मौके का। एंड आई सिंसियरली होप ਜਿਹੜੇ सत्संग कर रहे ने ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ सुन रहे ने ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ मतलब कहते ना कोई भी मैसेज ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ मिल जाता है एंड इट आंसर्स आवर क्वेश्चंस। शब्द कीर्तन में एंड सत्संग में हमारे क्वेश्चंस, हमारे डाउट्स सब आंसर हो जाते हैं। आई सिंसियरली होप एंड प्रे दैट इट हेल्प्स एवरीबॉडी। जय गुरु जी। गुरु जी कहते सी जन्मों दा साथ है। सो इफ आई से दैट my journey with Guruji and he decides, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਹੈ। I cannot say कि गुरुजी को मैं मिली नहीं, मेरी कोई औकात नहीं है, जीरो, शून्य। गुरुजी ने मैनू सद्या सी 2005 विच, in I think March 4th or 5th it was, and when he physically he called me, and गुरुजी तो शिव है, महादेव है, देवों के देव महा है, महादेव है, सब कुछ, everything is गुरुजी rolled into one. The supreme energy is our Guru Maharaj. When he called me, my friend, she tells me, she said, come with me to my Guruji. So I told her, I said, Apate Baba Lal Dayal ji kol jande ne bachpan to. And he said, no, you come with me to Guruji Maharaj. So I said, theek hai. And he said, I'll come and pick you up next day at, we were together in the evening. She said, I'll come and pick you up around 7 o'clock. So when she was leaving, राती 11 बजे निकली थे, मैं क्या अच्छा see you tomorrow morning at 7. She said morning, मैं तो morning ते नहीं आवांगी, मैं तो शामी आवांगी. ते I was a little surprised because ਆਪਾਂ ਤੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਜਦ ਜਾਈਦਾ ਸੀ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਦੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੇ। I never realized, but then Guru Ji Maharaj ਤੇ ਰਸਕ ਵਿਰਾਗੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਹੈਗੇ, and he wants that ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੰਮ ਕੁਮ ਕਰਕੇ सब निपटा के ओदे बाद आकर के ओना दे कोल बैठे। ते we went in the evening to Empire Estate, and I'm a Fauji's daughter-in-law, Fauji's wife, and जब ਆਪਾਂ गए उथे ते I saw बाहर तक इतनी खुशबू आ रही on the main road, on the highway, जिथे गाड़ियां दबा-दब जा रही ने, and this was 2005. And I just thought in my mind, because whenever any senior officers come to our mess, we spray all air fresheners and room fresheners, अंदर बाहर सारा, you know, संगत जी, मेरे मन विच ख्याल आया कि इन्हां ने ते बाहर सड़क ते भी पूरा इन्ने, you know, roses दी fresheners इन्हां ने spray करके रखी है। I never told my friend that, but appa we went inside. When we went inside, Guru Maharaj was sitting on the sideboard in Empire Estate, and where he was sitting, my friend, he said, meet my Guruji. Sangat ji, appa te guruan nu hamesha vekhya safed kapde, you know, sandalwood de lambe lambe o tikke laye te I've never seen a Guru Maharaj so dynamic, and he is so young looking, and he was wearing black drain pipes, half-sleeved bush-shirt, floral, and sitting crisscross on the sideboard. And I remember Joshi uncle with his mane of white hair, with his knee bent, sitting down, bent knees. He was on the floor, and he said, "Meet my Guruji." So I was taken aback. And संगत जी जब गुरु महाराज ने अ, मेरे वर नजर की थी ते it was as if ओते त्रिदेव है ना, it was as if एकदम आर पार नजर चली गई. And he has seen me through and knows every naughty secret of mine and every bad karma that I have done and everything about me. I had goosebumps. I was so taken aback. एकदम मतलब ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਸੀ, that left me flummoxed. And Sangat ji, my friend, she said, Guruji, eh meri saheli hai. And Guruji waved his hand like this after seeing me. And I was uncomfortable. जिस तरह MRI हो गया हो मेरा, X-ray हो गया हो मेरा. And he just waved his hand like this and उन्होंने इशारा किया कि मैं अंदर जा सकनी हूं. मतलब जेड़ी ओ फीलिंग सी, आई वर्ड्स आर नॉट सफिशिएंट. मैं मतलब डिस्क्राइब ही नहीं कर सकती, मैं दस भी नहीं सकती कि मेरी फीलिंग सी. इंज किया उन्होंने ते अंदर गए ते उत्थे आई सॉ मेनका गांधी जी सिटिंग एंड अ लॉट ऑफ फूड सिटिंग ओवर देयर. एंड मैं जाके उत्थे साइड विच मेरी फ्रेंड उन्हें मैनू बिठा दिता उत्थे. एंड संगत जी दैट वाज इन्नी देर गुप्ता अंकल और चाह प्रसाद छोटे छोटे शीशे के ग्लास लेके आए. ते बीइंग अ फौजी लाइक आई टोल्ड यू टोटल. एंड 8 बज रहे सी, पौने 8 बज रहे सी. दैट वाज नो टी टाइम. ते मैं आई सेड नो थैंक यू. ते माय फ्रेंड शी टेल्स मी ए प्रसाद हैगा. ते मैं ले लेता, फिर फौजी स्टाइल में थल्ले छड़ देता. शी सेड फिनिश इट. मैं पूरा आई ड्रैंक अप द होल थिंग. एंड वो दोबारा ले आए. मैं क्या नहीं जी थैंक यू. इन्नी देर ओम नमः शिवाय दा शब्द वजन लग गया. ओम नमः शिवाय दा जद वजया ते गुरु महाराज अपने कमरे तो आए बाहर, wearing very exclusive, very beautiful clothes, robes I should say, robes. जिस तरह शहनशाह का शहनशाह, बादशाह के बादशाह. And he was looking, मतलब मैं ते, yes, when I was a small child, तद असी वेख्या सी. And the thought that came to my mind was कि because I was about 6 or 7 when in my father's regiment, 2nd 9 Gorkha Rifle, I had seen Gogia Pasha, the world renowned magician who's in the Guinness Book of World Record. ਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਖਿਆਲ ਆਇਆ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਤੇ ਗੋਗਿਆ ਪਾਸ਼ਾ ਵਰਗਾ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਨੇ, that he can, you know, he can do all kind of, ये तो पूरी दुनिया घुमा देंगे. This is the thought that came to my mind. संगत जी, गुरु महाराज ते दुनिया ही घुमा सकते ने साडे सारियां दी किस्मत, our lifelines, our luck, our everything for every human being lies only and only in his hands. ओ किन्नी सच गल सी. गुरु महाराज ते बादशाहों ते बादशाह, he is Mahadev. And when he came inside the room, he literally breathed inside. And ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ओम नमः शिवाय दा भजन खत्म होया. And my friend, he took me to Guru Maharaj and he said, Guruji, ਇਹ ਮੇਰੀ सहेली है Ritu. Guru Maharaj looked at me and he said, ना किए खेती बोलता. I said, Ritu. He said, Ritu कौन? I said, Ritu Seth. I rattled off daughter of Colonel Roshan Lal, wife of Colonel Ashok Seth. And Guru Maharaj, he said, बच्चे I said, एक मुंडा हैगा दुबई. He said, की करदा है? I told him that he was working in jewelry business. And Sangat ji, his words to me were, मुंडे दा विआह कर ते ऐ कर. That was the first thing, that was the only thing he said. He said, मुंडे दा विआह कर ते ऐ कर. And then he pointed his, he just waved his hand like this and sent me to eat Langar Prasad with uncle who was sitting there with all his cameras and photography and wearing a red cape. I just went and I sat there. ਥੱਲੇ ਬਹਿ ਕੇ ਕਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਲੰਗਰ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਖਾਏ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਪਤਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਰੱਬ ਦੀ ਦਰਗਾਹ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੈਠੀ ਹਾਂ, ਰੱਬ ਦੇ ਦਰਬਾਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੈਠੀ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਦਿਆ ਵਾ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ ਖਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ. ਮਤਲਬ ਇਟ ਵਾਸ, ਐਂਡ ਕਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬੈਠੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ. ਥੱਲੇ ਬਹਿ ਕੇ ਅੰਕਲ ਹੀ ਪੁੱਟ ਐਂਡ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਰੋਟੀ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ ਦਿੱਤੀ. ਵੀ ਵਰ 4 of us sitting together. ਰੋਟੀ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. combined we ate ਇੱਕ ਥਾਲ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ and ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਲੱਡੂ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ ਮਿਲਿਆ. and ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਲੰਗਰ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ when I was leaving the house that evening, my husband, he was flying helicopters and being from army aviation, so he was flying helicopters in Srinagar. And ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਫੋਨ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ ਜਦ ਆਪਾਂ ਨਿਕਲ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ 6:45 ਵਜੇ ਤੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕਿ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ? I said, I'm going with Olga to her Guruji. This is how I spoke. He said, ਇਹ ਕੋਈ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੈ ਗੁਰੂਆਂ ਦੇ ਜਾਣ ਦਾ? Come back home fast. Fauji style language, he was very brusque. ਤੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਟੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਤਾਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਹੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਸੀ ਘਰ ਚੋਂ. ਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਲੰਗਰ ਖਤਮ ਹੋਇਆ, I told my friend, I said, let's go. ਤੇ she said, when you go to the chief's house, don't you go back and thank him? ਤੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਤਾਂ ਟੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਗਈ. so I started walking. she said, ਨਹੀਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਉਹ ਬਾਹਰ ਲੈ ਗਈ ਹੱਥ ਧੋਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਫਿਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਾਈਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਖਲੋਤੇ ਸੀ ਖੜੇ ਲੋਕ. people were doing shashtang pranam to him and he was sitting on his throne, on his singhasan. and Sangat ji, why should I hide what thought came to my mind? Means ਐਤੇ ਸਤਸੰਗ ਤੇ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਸੱਚ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਤੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਸੱਚ ਬੋਲੋ. ਤੇ the thought that came to my mind, Sangat ji, was that Guruji is so young looking. ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਕਦੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਤਲਬ I never seen a Guru Maharaj like this. And being a Fauji, I just thought in my mind, I said, he is so young, I'm not going to touch his feet. And Sangat ji, look at the loss that was mine. And his feet, which were, he had placed his feet out, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲੋਕੀ ਛੂ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਦ ਮੈਂ ਆਈ ਮੇਰੀ ਬਾਰੀ ਆਈ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ he just put his feet deliberately under his chola and looked at my face. So I was kind of relieved. मैं हाथ जोड़े bow kita, खलोते bow kita, कहने मैं क्या, thank you so much, and I came home. And Sangat ji, that night, so my friend, he left later on, deep into the night, and मैं भी आराम नाल सो गई. ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਉਸੇ ਦਿਨ ਜਦ ਮੈਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਜਦ ਬੈਠੀ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਛੋਟਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ. that my son had rung me up from Dubai and ਉਹਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਕੰਮ ਅਟਕਿਆ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਐਵੇਂ ਸੋਚਿਆ that you know if ਲੋਕ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਾ trying and testing, ਤੇ I said, if you have any power ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਬੇਟੇ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਦਿਓਗੇ. ਤੇ after my friend left, my son, he called me and he said, Ma, I don't know why, but the Sheikh has called me to Palm Strip Mall and my time, 11:15. मैं कहा अच्छा. ते he said, I'm running. मैं कहा जी ठीक है. 2 दिन पहले उन्होंने कहा सी मेरे जूते घिस गए, मेरा काम नहीं हो रहा. And मैं within about आधा पौने घंटे मैंने दोबारा फोन आया कि माँ कुछ कमाल हो गया. मैंने कहा क्या? कहता कि मेरा काम was, he asked no questions, nothing. Within 2 minutes मेरा काम हो गया और मैं वापस भी आ गया. संगत जी, मैं कदे भी I was not able to put 2 and 2 together. And I was totally taken aback कि इधर कम हो गया. I was very happy, very relieved. And I still didn't realize that ये काम तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरे गुरु महाराज ने किया है. That night, Guru Maharaj, came in my dream. And he asked me, he had a conversation with me. He said, आपके बेटे का नाम अखिल राज सेठ है. These were his words to me. And Sangatji, I'm answering him, I'm saying, जी हाँ. And he gave a very, very special blessing. ਜਿਹੜੀ सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरे बेटे आस्ते है. I would not like to share it. And very beautiful dream he gave. And ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ he went. ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ Dubai gaye. My husband came. We both went. And we went to Dubai. My son, he was fast moving up ahead. Guru Maharaj the kalyan kita si ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ. And when I came back, after my husband reported back for duty, I rang up my friend and I told her I want to go to your Guruji. She said, I am having some people from Chennai. ते तुसी आप पे चले जाओ. मैं खटाखट अपनी she said go to the same place. You go around 7:30. 7:30 निकलोगे 8 बजे तक पहुंच जाओगे. थे I picked up my Maruti and I zipped down to Empire Estate. मैं गड्डी बाहर खड़ी की. Followed the same routine. And this time I wanted to touch his feet. His feet were under his chola. And when my turn came to say thank you to him, I looked at him because I wanted to touch his feet and say thank you. The Anantam Shukrana I wanted to do. And when he saw me, he took his feet out. And Sangaji, his feet are so beautiful, very, very divine. Sangmarmar, matlab, so beautiful. So I just thought in my mind that if I touch his feet with my hand, his feet will get dirty. So from the tip of my fingers, I touched with both my hands, from the tip of my fingers, I touched his Guru Maharaj के चरण छुए और शुक्राना किया. करके मैं घर आ गई. संगत जी नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग जब मैं उठी ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਤੇ ਫੌਜੀ ਤੇ I will use little soap, synthol soap. ਮੈਂ ਹੱਥ ਚ ਧੋਤੇ ਨਹਾਈ ਧੋਈ. But I could ਇੰਨੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ I was getting fragrance of roses from my hand. And we Fajis are not very, we don't use expensive perfumes or anything. Of course, now our salaries have gone up. So, I was wondering कि एक इतनी प्यारी खुशबू किथों आ रही है. So I thought, कि lot of roses were growing in our garden. So I thought कि बाहर garden से अंदर खुशबू आ रही है. So I went out. बालकनी तो वेख्या उधर. I realized कि गार्डन में ही खुशबू नहीं है तो मेरे हाथ चो किथों आ रही है. And संगत जी, it is so divine. That day, after my mother, she rang up and she said, "Ki ho raha hai? I'm coming to have coffee with you." ते मैं क्या जी आ जाओ. ते जब आई तो कहती तू तो बड़ा परफ्यूम छिड़क के रखा है. मैं क्या मम्मी मैं तो कोई भी परफ्यूम नहीं छिड़किया. कहती ऐਵੇਂ झूठ बोलदी है. So I just kept quiet. You don't argue with parents. I served her coffee, beaten up coffee करके. She had it and went. 2 दिन बाद फिर ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਫੋਨ ਆਇਆ and ਗੁਲਾਬ ਦੀ ਮਹਿਕ ਤੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਘਰ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਮੈਂ that it was delightful. ਤੇ again she came, my mother, and she said coffee ਪੀ ਕੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਤੇ ਬੜਾ ਪਰਫਿਊਮ ਛਿੜਕਿਆ ਹੈ. ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮੰਮੀ ਮੈਨੇ ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਪਰਫਿਊਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਛਿੜਕਿਆ. She said ਐਵੇਂ ਝੂਠ ਬੋਲਦੀ ਹੈ. I got little irritated. As soon as my mother went, I rang up my friend. I asked Olga. I said I said a strange thing has happened. From the day I went to Guruji and I touched his, I went to your Guruji and touched his feet. From that day, I said, itni खुशबू आ रही है दैट रोजेस की मेरे घर में, दैट एवरीबडी इज थिंकिंग आई हैव पुट परफ्यूम। ਤੇ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਮਾਈ ਗੁਰੂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ's way of blessing you। So Sangat ji, then Guru Maharaj, he left his chola in 2007, and my husband, he also left us in 2007, and my son was still not married, and Maharaj ने क्या कहा था, मुंडे दा विआह करते ऐश कर। ते I think it was 2009 or 8 and or 9, I don't clearly remember. So my son and I, we were driving down to Ajmer Sharif। जब ਆਪਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਤੇ on our way back, I got a call from a Leena auntie at about 6:45 in the morning। ਤੇ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜੈ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ। ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਜੀ ਜੈ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ। ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਕਿ of course later on Leena auntie, we became very good friends, Bobby and Leena auntie, now they are in Canada, and Leena auntie कहती है मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रही कि मैं कैसे बोलूं। मैंने कहा क्या हुआ जी? कहती है कि गुरु महाराज मेरे ड्रीम में आए और उन्होंने मुझे बोला है कि आपको फोन करके बोलूं, कुछ आपके लिए स्पेशल मैसेजेस हैं। I was I said my son is asking किसका फोन है, so I told him, I said there is one Leena auntie। तो she said आपके घर में एक ऐसे बक्सा टाइप, ट्रंक टाइप पड़ा है जिसमें बाहर, और उसमें ना पर्दे हैं बेज कलर के। कैन यू इमेजिन संगत जी कि जिन्हों मैं जानती भी नहीं उन्होंने पता है कि मेरे ट्रंक के बेज कलर कर्टन्स है। सो माय हस्बैंड व्हेन ही वाज कमांडिंग 26 AD, I had those beige color curtains। Now those beige colors, I had now shifted to Scenic Farms, and those beige color curtains were lying in the trunk outside, and she's telling me, she says आपके बक्से में। So I immediately understood trunk, because when she said ना ऐसे एक लोहे का ऐसे पड़ा है, I understood trunk because हम तो फौजी हैं, we pack up and we move। she says उसमें जो गुरुजी ने बोला है कि उसमें जो बेज कलर के पर्दे हैं वो आप निकाल के पूरे किसी को दे दो। Can you imagine संगत जी? And Guru Maharaj had already left his chola। So तभी कहते ना कि गुरु महाराज, when he is now omnipotent, omnipresent, omniscient, he knows everything, he is everywhere, and you can see it, पूरी दुनिया में उनका नाम फैला हुआ है। And then she told me कि आपके वहां पर ना जहां आप लोग शूज रखते हो वहां का एरिया बहुत गंदा है, बिकॉज हमने बाहर ऐसे टेंट टाइप बनाया था एंड उसमें सारे जूते पटके हुए थे। She says वो एरिया आप साफ करो। Can you imagine संगत जी? And then she told me one more most important thing जो गुरु महाराज ने खुद बोला था। He said आप अपने पहले ही बहुत देर हो गई है, पहले ही बहुत देर हो गई है, आप अपने 10-12 लोग लेकर के जाओ और आप अपने बेटे की शादी करो। ਹੁਣ ਵੀ जब मैं गल कर रही हाँ ते I have tears in my eyes, because महाराज जी ने मैनू तो यही किया सी, मुंडे दा विआह करते ऐश कर। संगत जी, गुरु महाराज रब है, ईश्वर है, सब कुछ रोल इनटू वन। अनंतम शुक्राना है गुरु महाराज का ये जो बड़ा मंदिर इन्होंने दिया है जहां 12 ज्योतियों की शक्ति है। अनंतम शुक्राना है गौरव जी का जो बड़े मंदिर को ऐसे चलाते हैं, विच इज एट पार विद द डिसिप्लिन विच वी सी इन द आर्मी। इन्नी संगत आंदी है फिर भी सारे लंगर प्रसाद भी मिलता है, सब कुछ मिलता है, एवरीबडी गोज बैक, इन्नी ब्लेसिंग्स आप लैके जाते हैं। इट इज सिंपली अमेजिंग। इट इज ਐਂਡ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਹੈ ਉੱਥੇ, ਉਹ ਤੇ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਹੈ, ਕੰਪਲੀਟਲੀ ਐਂਡ ਟੋਟਲ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ। ਆਪ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਂਟਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, the energy which comes, it is so different from anywhere else that we go. जिस तरह ही आप पैर रखिए अंदर, पूरा एकदम you will feel a difference in the complete body. गणेश जी एकदम ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗੇਟ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮੂਰਤੀ ਹੈਗੀ, his eyes they talk, it's amazing. We move further and it is hats off to Gaurav ji, to the management, ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੰਦਿਰ ਚਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਟੋਟਲ ਕ੍ਰੈਡਿਟ। ਅੱਜ लाखों ਦੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਆਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਫਿਰ ਵੀ everybody goes back so happy, and every nook and corner, whether you go to Japan, you go to the US, you go to Dubai, you go to any place outside India, in India, everywhere Guru ji ਦੇ satsang ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, and it is Anantam Shukrana Guru Maharaj da, that 7th July is his birthday, and today he's given this opportunity for me to do his satsang. Anantam Shukrana Guru Maharaj, Anantam Shukrana to Vikram uncle to give me this fantastic opportunity. So moving on, Hina auntie ne mainu message dita, and he said that vyah karna hai. The Sangat ji, Guru Maharaj, his divinity total, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ dream ਵਿੱਚ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਦਿੱਤੇ, ਤੇ he told me, because being a Fauji, I was looking at all Fauji's daughters, Fauji friends who bring up BSF, you know, or the Air Force, everywhere. Naturally, he being a pilot, and would, you know, they would say, in case, you know, like they would look at Akhil and I would look at girls and things like that. And then Guru Maharaj, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੱਡਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਸ਼ਿਵਲਿੰਗ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਡ੍ਰੀਮ ਵਿੱਚ, ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆ ਕੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਲੜਕੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਹੈ। Sitting here, I am just wondering कि लड़की पंजाब की कहाँ से होगी, मैं ते इधर बैठी हाँ। I met this girl and I asked her, I said, where are you from? He said, we are from Karnal. Next day, Guru Maharaj, again he came in my dream and he said, ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਪੁੱਛ, ਉਹਦਾ ਪੁਸ਼ਤਾਨਾ ਕਿਧਰੋਂ ਹੈ। So, and 9915, she was my son's friend. They're working together actually. And again I asked her, I said, where is your Pushtana from? He's telling me, we are from a place close to Patiala. My Dadaji and all are from a place close to Patiala, Sangrur. Dekho, matlab, where he knows everything. Guru Maharaj knows everything. He knew that I have that all the curtains lying in my box. He knew that my shoe area was dirty. He knew that the girl that who should enter my family is from Punjab. And then he showed me, this was a cart. In the dream he came, and this golf cart nahi hoti. So he was driving the golf cart, and 2 steps behind, he had me seated there. And he's telling me, because I used to always tell him that, you know, like I used to always ask, ki mainu ladki deo who loves both me and my son, because I had lost so many people. I had lost my husband, my mother, my father, all together in a span of 3 years. So it's like a full fort falling apart. ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਸੋਚਿਆ, ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਇਹੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੜਕੀ ਦਿਓ ਜੇ ਸਾਡੇ। ਐਂਡ ਇਨ ਦ ਡ੍ਰੀਮ ਹੀ ਕੇਮ when he is driving the car, he said, I am driving your cart. Guru Maharaj is telling me, Sangat ji, he says, I am driving your cart. Why is your speed so slow? She loves you a lot. And then he's telling me, he showed this girl, you know, he showed her name is Vamika, and he told me to call her Lavina post the marriage. And he said, he loves you a lot. Why is my speed so slow? Can you imagine Guru Maharaj's मतलब जिन्ना शुक्र करो वो ना कट है. It's amazing what he gives. And he went on to down the years. He when the little one was born, it was 6th of September, and he put in 2016, 2015, and he sorry, 2016, and he put a little bundle in my lap, and he said, Ritu auntie, jato jahan ki blessings for your grand one. Can you imagine that? मतलब how to मतलब like जब when Vikram uncle says that आप सत्संग करोगे तो we all मतलब for me every second every मतलब हर पल beat everything for me is only and only Shukrana to Guru Maharaj. Only and only Shukrana. I can never thank him enough. So like I was saying, I said बड़ा मंदिर तो अमृत है. So in after the little one came into our life, then it was her second birthday. Immediately after her second birthday, I got dengue, and I was admitted in Max Hospital. The baby was so young, and I'm telling and my son obviously he simultaneously he was in the hospital taking care of his mother. Then I'm telling Guru Maharaj, and when the doctors came in the evening, they said that it's a very bad case and lag jayega hafta 10 din lag jayega, and your mother will have to be in the hospital for at least a week. So after they left, I was just thinking and talking to Kofi and asking him, Maharaj, I mean, how are we going to handle this situation? It's very tough. That night, Sangatji, Guru Maharaj, he gave me beautiful divine darshan. बड़ा मंदिर ऊपर जो इतना बड़ा शिवलिंग है, एंड कहते हैं ना जटा धराए गंगा धराए. तो the शिवलिंग, of course there was all beautiful ghee prasad around the shivling, and then the shivling, it opens, and when the shivling opens, ऊपर से जैसे गंगा बहती है, पूरा अमृत निकल रहा था. बहुत पानी, जैसे गंगा का गंगा नदी ऐसे देखते हो ना, ऐसे लहलहाती ऊपर से पूरा जल आ रहा था. एंड Guru Maharaj, he said, Amrit pile. He's telling me, Amrit pile. And then, जैसे लाखों की संगत वहां पर जल पी रही है, अमृत पी रही है. And Guru Maharaj is telling me also, and मैं ऐसे हाथ, like we in school, from the school tap, we just join our hands and we drink the water like this from the hand. वैसे मैं उसी जल में यूं करके मैं पीती हूँ. एंड ही सेइंग, जब मैं पी रही हूँ, ही सेइंग पानी खा रहा है, थोड़ा पी, नहीं तो टिड खराब हो जाएगा, नहीं तो पेट खराब हो जाएगा. ही इज टेलिंग मी दैट. एंड मैं ऐसे पीती हूँ. एंड देन ही सेज, रितु आंटी, आई ब्लेस द रिच एंड द पुअर अलाइक. दैट वाज सो ब्यूटीफुल, संगत जी. सो नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन द डॉक्टर्स केम एट द 10:30 जब आते हैं, there were 3-4 of doctors who came together, and when they came, they checked me out, and Sangatji, they said, you can take your mother home. Can you imagine that? Can you even imagine that? फिर मैं उसी दिन 2 बजे तक I was discharged and I came home. अनंतम शुक्राना मेरे गुरु महाराज का, अनंतम शुक्राना मेरे गुरु महाराज का. So he said, I want to go back to this sentence जो उन्होंने किया, that Ritu aunty, I bless the rich and the poor alike. And Guru Maharaj ने सारी languages इस गल कर देने, all languages, because ये तो रब है, ये तो ईश्वर है, he is divine, he is the supreme energy, there is nothing beyond him. He said, rich, I bless the rich and the poor alike. Now कई साल पहले उन्होंने courage, either he started in our house, he started सवेरे चाय भोग. And he said कि इस तरह चाय भोग करना है सवेरे से सवेरे सवेरे before we have anything we always do चाय भोग. And then he showed जो चाय भोग which everybody जो हम तभी कहते हैं ना गुरु जी का प्रसाद तो अमृत है. And he showed चाय भोग की एक पतली सी जो मेरा स्टाफ था. Actually she was and she used to be my mother's she was my mother's maid for many years since 1992. And in 2010, Guruji came, I think it was January 15th or 16th, I don't clearly remember in the morning, when he came in 2010 in my dream and he said, Ritu auntie, I am going to take your mother. And he came in complete splendor, beautiful. And so he took my mother, and after he took my mother, and exactly, he said, I will take her on Monday or Tuesday. So he came on Tuesday at 5:45 in the morning. I clearly remember this. And he said, I'm going to take your mother. And he took her that day. And my mother's maid, I thought that, okay, let me, take her on as my strength so that because she had been my mother's maid for a long time. Now, in the dream, since he said, I bless the rich and the poor alike, he showed कि जब अपा चाय भोग शुरू किया तो he showed my maid, that maid's name is Sarita. And he showed कि जो एक पतली सी स्ट्रीक चाय प्रसाद की जा रही है वो उसकी सरिता की कुटिया में भी जा रही है. So he is blessing her as well. And it is and today he's given her a 100 100 गज की triple story building near Bada Mandir itself, again Bhati Mines, Anantam Shukrana Guru Maharaj ka. Means he takes care of everybody. Everybody he takes care of. He does bless the rich and the poor alike. And it is amazing how he, like before I move on to the next satsang, so I have to tell one thing about ਜਿਹੜੀ maid ਸੀ Sarita. When I took her on ਤੇ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਾ because she was my mother's maid तो ਮੈਨੂੰ डांटती जब भी आना ਉਹਨੇ so she was very rude to me. That one night I slept, and after she left I decided next morning जब आएगी तो मैं अपने घर से निकाल दूंगी. So Guru Maharaj तो एक एक पीस नोट करते हैं and purity of thought. एंड हमें तो है ना कि रफल तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं होनी. तभी तो गुरु जी कहते सी ना अपनी अकल ते रफल बाहर जूतियां नाल छड़ के आओ. तो मेरी रफल सी because I could not take what my mother's maid was Sarita was telling me. I decided I have to take her out. That night he showed कि जोरों से बारिश हो रही है, आंधी तूफान चल रहा है. और दिस गर्ल इज दिस लेडी सरिता इज ये साड़ी पहनती है हमेशा. तो ऐसे वो जो होता है ना प्लास्टिक का लिफाफा लाइक अ छतरी बड़ा सा साइड से काट के शी इज हैज दैट. एंड हंसते हंसते शी कम्स फ्रॉम बिहाइंड, शी वॉक्स अप द स्टेयर्स, enter opens the kitchen door from the back and starts washing the bartan. And Guru Maharaj, he tells me, Ritu auntie, she is an all weather friend. And Sangat ji, from then, this was in 2011, तब से लेके आज तक, whether I tell her to come at 12 o'clock at night, 3 o'clock in the morning, anything, everything, she's always there for me. With Guruji, it is, Guruji तो कभी कोई प्रचार नहीं करते थे, कोई लेक्चर नहीं देते थे, कुछ भी नहीं. जो कुछ उन्होंने हमें सिखाया है, जो कुछ उन्होंने हमें दिया है, जो कुछ हमें ये जो संगत है, जो हमारी फैमिली है, सब कुछ हमें इसी में सिखाया है. एंड एवरीथिंग ही हैज टॉट अस by life, by the life which he is giving us. In that he is teaching us. He never told us कि तुम ये मत करो ये. Yes, he always said don't hurt. मतलब किसी दा कदे माड़ा ना करो. Have purity. मेरे को ये have purity of thought, ये तो मेरे को बोला गया उन्होंने. He has told me this. He told me this in exactly in the same words. Ritu auntie, have purity of thought. These are the things which we just have to keep. And we don't ask him for anything. Sanjay after I lost my mother, father, husband and all, and my father-in-law, गुरु महाराज जो ये इतना सुंदर ये जो इतना सुंदर मंदिर का दर्शन दे रहे हैं, विक्रम अंकल ने जो ये सेटिंग बनाई हुई है, ये जो गुरुजी ने जो ये ब्लू बैकग्राउंड में व्हाइट चोला विद द ब्लैक स्कार्फ, he gave me darshan in exactly this form, and he stood before me in my dream and he said, what do you want? Exactly these were his words. He said, what do you want? मेरे लिप सील सी. I didn't know what to answer him. मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं सी था. After I just lost my husband and all, I was distraught. My son was not settled, nothing. हर चीज ही ऐवे ही सी, सब कुछ was तितर बितर. But when he asked me, what do you want? My lips were sealed because I didn't know what to ask him. I looked at him telepathically. Telepathy we are talking. तो मैं ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਨੀ ਆ ਕਿ I don't know what is good for me. I don't know what is good for me. मैं ਕੀ ਮੰਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ. ਮਤਲਬ I had nothing. I didn't know what to ask him and I didn't know what is good for me. So I looked at him and I said, I don't know what is good for me. Sangat ji, from then to now, he has now left no void in my life. हर चीज, हर कदम मेरा उन्होंने under his supervision, completely and totally. Who enters my life, who's from the मतलब एक चीज, health, wealth, happiness, relationships, सब कुछ उन्होंने दिता है. He has left no void in my life. जद कहंदे ना उन्होंने total surrender करो. This is what is surrender. I think I am, like I said, शून्य. But मैं समझ गई इतने बरसों के बाद कि अगर मैंने उनसे कुछ मांगा होता, मैं बोलती थी गिव मी वेल्थ, तो मैं कुछ क्या पता कहीं और मैं एक थप्पड़ खाती. बट आई डिडंट आस्क हिम एनीथिंग. जद सिर झुका के सिजदा करीदा है बड़े मंदिर विच, there is nothing to ask, only shukrana and sorry for all the mistakes that we make. Thank you for everything that you bestow upon us. Sorry for all the mistakes that we make. So Sangaji, much after, in the beginning when I had just lost Colonel Ashok Seth, so first I'll share something very beautiful. So in the beginning, when I had met him, I told him, no, my husband, he said, na, ki, I said he flies Srinagar helicopters udan dene. Said Guru Maharaj, he gave me darshan. He showed a beautiful mountain, and mountain it's and like a cave. So he takes me inside the cave, and he comes out from behind a table. He's wearing khadao and white dhoti and white and he has this just when we go to जाइदा है ना अपना हरिद्वार वगैरह for when we when we die and we go there and also he has a huge book like ऐसे लंबा सा जिसमें सबके ऐसे नाम लिखे होते हैं. And so he comes out with that book and he had a big smile on his face. And he asked me again exactly the same dialogue which we had when he was in Chola. And then he took out and पीछे ना there is a beautiful mountain and बहुत अच्छी अच्छी घंटियां बज रही हैं. And he's asking me, he said, and he's asking me my husband's name and I'm telling him Colonel Ashok Seth. And he's saying, oh, Leh Ladakh wale. with a big smile on his face. See, he's Rab. So he knew that my husband is flown in Leh Ladakh for a long time. And so then he took a very long brush like that and he made a very beautiful house for me. And that was so fantastic, So many things happened. And then, after some time, I had gone for an army function. And this was after about 3 years of 2 years or so after my husband had gone. And he told me, he said, we have to, again, his instructions are very clear. So if you don't ask for anything, वो आप पे ही guide कर देने, आप पे ही सब कुछ देख लेंदे ने, then no need to do it or ask anything. And कहते हैं ना कि अपना दिमाग ज्यादा ना चलाओ, ज्यादा सोचिया ना करो. And he told me that आर्मी की तरफ जाना जरूरी है, आर्मी की तरफ जाना जरूरी है. So when the Army Air Defense raising day, the AD day was there, my son and I we went to the AD mess. There I met, after many years, I met one of our officers. Of course, I met all the officers after a long time, but Colonel Shamsher was standing outside and I saw him and he had put on a lot of weight. And he was having a smoke outside and I told him, he said, good evening, ma'am. So I just asked him, I said, Shamsher, why have you put on so much weight? So he said, ma'am, I got hurt in the Aprakshak. I fell 20 foot ki height se. I fell into a khai during the Aprakshak duty. So then he was also asking how. So I told him, come with me to my Guruji. And I think this was 2009 end. So he came in his gypsy and I met him near that Chhatarpur metro station and I was in my car. And we took him to Bada Mandir. And I was just thinking, I said, what do I tell him, He will think कि मैम सटे आ गई है कि गुरुआं को जानती है because her husband is no more. So I was just thinking, I looked at, we were entering Bada Mandir and I told Guruji, I said, Guruji, please help me to tell him about you. Guruji, Bada Mandir to, is absolutely full of energy. 12 ज्योतियों की शक्ति है, 12 ज्योतिर्लिंगों की शक्ति है वहां पर. इट्स अमेजिंग. एक ज्योतिर्लिंग में हम जाते हैं तो हमें कितना महसूस होता है प्रेजेंस ऑफ लॉर्ड शिवा, तो आप सोचिए 12 ज्योतिर्लिंगों की जहां शक्ति है तो वहां तो इट इज बियॉन्ड इमेजिनेशन. एंड देयर सबसे सामने ऐसी, जैसी हम बड़े दरबार से बाहर निकलते हैं ऐसी कर्नल जोशी. So I told Colonel Joshi, I said, Colonel Joshi, please, this is Colonel Shamsher from our regiment. Please tell him about Guru Maharaj. And I went and I sat a little far from the both of them because those days I was not in a very mood to talk too much to anybody. So Colonel Joshi's first sentence to Colonel Shamsher, Guruji used to bless the army officers the fastest. This was what Colonel Joshi told Colonel Shamsher. संगत जी मैं ना थोड़ी दूर बैठी सी, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੋਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ I was looking at the huge shivling on top and I just looked at the shivling. संगत जी ਮੇਰੇ ਮਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਸਵਾਲ ਉੱਠਾ. ਮੈਂ ਨਾ ਤੇ Colonel Joshi ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਨਾ Colonel Shamsher. सवाल उठा that Guruji, do you also bless army officers' widows? I did not speak to the two officers, but Colonel Joshi ने सिर्फ इतना किया कि he told Colonel Shamsher that Guruji used to bless the army officers the fastest. This question arose in my mind that Guruji, do you also bless army officers' widows? संगत जी सोचो की होया, तुसी सोच भी नहीं सकते कि उस दिन की होया. राती we had langar prasad and all, सब अपने अपने घर चले गए. I also came home. I slept. That night, my Guru Maharaj, he shows me a fantastic dream. He shows that I am sitting in the mess in Srinagar. and I'm wearing my husband's kamarband. Kamarband is the formal when they have the formal dining ins. The officers they wear the kamarbands, and I'm wearing olive green uniform green capris, and I'm wearing a white shirt, and white shirt te सारे medals लगे ना. My husband is a Sena medalist. The medals थे फौजियां थे. He's earned a lot of medals, having left as a full colonel and being an aviator. I'm wearing his medals, his kamarband, and in the officers mess in Srinagar he shows काफी सारे रेजिमेंट दे ऑफिसर्स ते जनरल हांडास फौजीज काफी सारे फौजीज ब्रिगेडियर भल्ला he showed all this. They all have been to Guru Maharaj and got his blessings in abundance. They Swere, my son was not married that time. Swere, he was sleeping in my room. Swere 5:30 baje, my phone rings. My son, he tells me, "Ma, इतने सवेरे आपको कौन फोन कर रहा है?" So I looked at the phone. I saw Brigadier Bhalla. SXR means Srinagar. Brigadier Bhalla, Srinagar. I was taken aback. And Guru Maharaj ने तो ये पूरा ड्रीम दिखाया था. I did not put two and two together. मैंने कुछ समझ ही नहीं आई कि क्यों फोन कर रहा है ते ड्रीम जा की है. मैं फोन चुक लेता. अखिल ने क्या, माँ फोन उठाओ. फोन उठाया ते ब्रिगेडियर भल्ला, he tells me, "Ma'am, I do not know," his exact words to me, "Ma'am, I do not know what your question or dilemma is. I do not know what your question or dilemma is. But your Baba," ਉਹ ਬਾਬਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਨੂੰ ਬਾਬਾ ਇਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹ ਸਾਈ ਬਾਬਾ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਭਗਤ ਸੀ. ਮਤਲਬ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਪੂਰੀ ਫੁੱਲ ਵਾਲ ਸਾਈ ਬਾਬਾ is devoted to him. मतलब full जितनी लंबी वॉल है उतनी लंबी फोटो उन्होंने साई बाबा दी लाई सी. And now both he, Rupa, his wife, as well as he believe a lot in Guruji. And कहना है कि your Baba came to me at 2:45 in the morning. He has asked me to ring you up and tell you that the answer is a big yes. ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੀ ਉੱਠਿਆ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ਿਵਲਿੰਗ ਨੂੰ ਵੇਖ ਕੇ ਮੈਨੇ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ that do you bless army officers widows? ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ, ਨਾ ਤੇ ਕਰਨਲ ਜੋਸ਼ੀ ਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਕਰਨਲ ਸ਼ਮਸ਼ੇਰ ਨੂੰ, ਸਿਰਫ ਗੁਰੂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਤੇ ਪਤਾ ਸੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਹੀ ਤੇ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਸੀ. And Brigadier Bhalla is ringing me up from Srinagar and saying that your Baba came to me at 2:45 in the morning. So, ma'am, I was just waiting for daylight to come. So it's now 5:30. I'm ringing you up and telling you that I do not know what your question or dilemma is, but your Baba came and he has asked me to ring you up and to tell you that the answer is a big yes. Jai Guruji, Jai Shiv Shambhu, Om Namah Shivaya. शिवजी सदा सहाय. ओम नमः शिवाय. गुरुजी सदा सदा सहाय. जितना शुक्र करूं उतना कम है संगत जी. एंड लाइक गुरुजी यूज्ड टू से, एंड इतना हम सत्संग भी सुनते हैं, शब्द कीर्तन भी सुनते हैं. गुरु महाराज मतलब कि साडे कर्म ते गुरु महाराज सत्संग सुनो, शब्द कीर्तन सुनो, लंगर प्रसाद करो, and we are so blessed. नहीं तो people enjoy going to maybe parties, pubs and all. Our soul is, at least my soul is always so hungry, and all I want to always to go to Guruji, to go to Bada Mandir, to enjoy his divine company, to enjoy the company of the Sangat. It is complete. Absolutely, life becomes so wonderful. अनंतम शुक्राना मेरे गुरु महाराज का, अनंतम मतलब शुक्राना. प्लीज फॉरगिव मी अगर मैंने कुछ गलतियां की हो संगत जी. गुरु महाराज प्लीज फॉरगिव मी फॉर ऑल द मिस्टेक्स. आई होप जो भी सत्संग होया है किसी के सवाल जवाब सब आंसर, किसी का कुछ तो कल्याण हो। एंड एक और मैं छोटा सत्संग बिफोर आई क्लोज, आई वाज टोल्ड कि 11 बजे तक, आफ्टर दैट आई हैव टू क्लोज, सो वी हैव 2 minutes. So संगत जी, in 2010 की होया that I found it like I've been an athlete all my life and I found it difficult कि मैं अगर treadmill चला भी तो I could not increase from the speed of 3. मतलब slowly I was at a speed of 15, came down 12 हो गए, 10 हो गए, 8 हो गए, and then I found कि मैं 3 से ज्यादा 3-4 के बाद तो घुटनों के पीछे मेरे बहुत जोर की दर्द होती। एंड इट वाज थर्सडे, आई वेंट टू बड़ा मंदिर। जब मैं सजदा करने लगी गुरु महाराज के सामने, ते मैं गुरु महाराज दे तरफ वेख्या ते मैं उन्हां कोलों पुछया, मैं कहा गुरु महाराज मैं तो ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ सजदा भी नहीं कर पा रही, what is wrong with me? This thing just rose in my mind, what is wrong with me? मैं तो सजदा नहीं कर पा रही। संगत जी, that night he gave me very beautiful divine darshan and with a huge smile on his face. And संगत जी, मैं तो सो रही सी, एक मैं सो रही सी, एक in the dream he showed one, I'm standing, he's at a ऐसे पहाड़ी है and he's on the पहाड़ी and एक मैं थल्ले खड़ी हूं and एक दिखाया कि मैं इंज मैनू हवा में जिस तरह एक मैजिशियन लिटांदा है ना इंज करके, he showed me इंज मैं लेटी हूं सीधी। He showed that there was infection behind my knees, infection in different parts of my body. मतलब गुरु महाराज अनंतम शुक्राना मेरे गुरु महाराज, मैं तो उन्हें तरफ वेख्या कि मैं तो सिजदा नहीं कर पा रही हूं। एंड देन संगत जी, this was around 8th of November 2010, and when this question came that मैं सिजदा नहीं कर पा रही, 7th or 8th of November, Sanjay ji, that night he showed that there is all, and he gave me a very big smile. And he showed the infection in my body. He didn't talk to me, but सारा उन्होंने दिखाया मैनू, with a big smile on his face. And from then, November, December, January, February, सवेरे every single morning I would get phone call for seva, for langar, for either in Bada Mandir or in somebody's house to set up their bar, but every single day, कम से कम 2 बार I would be eating only langar prasad. Sangat ji, every time I would go in the gadi, I used to tell my son to stop the vehicle because I would want to use the restroom, or I would take out a lot of water, whatever. But by March, Guru Maharaj da kalyan, Guru Maharaj di meher, Guru Maharaj di bakshish, by March I slowly the pain receded. By April 1st week, I was running on the treadmill and the pain had totally gone. I was back to my normal self. तदे कहीदा है गुरु महाराज दे प्रसाद इस्ते अमृत है. It's a medicine. It's health, wealth, happiness, relationships, everything rolled into one. जद आपा प्रसाद खाईदा है, with every bite, with every morsel, we thank him. We refrain that time from sitting and chit-chatting. Prasad khao, like, and shukrana karo. Connect only and only with him. जितना शुक्र करूं कम है. Thank you so much, Vikram uncle. Thank you, बड़ा मंदिर. Thank you, गुरु जी का आश्रम. Thank you, गौरव जी. Thank you, संगत जी, for listening. Please forgive जिन्नी त्रुटियां, जिन्नी गलतियां कीतियां ने, मैनू माफ कर दियो गुरु महाराज. जितना शुक्र करूं उतना कम है. Thank you so much. जय गुरु जी.